Hi, my name is Liliana, FoodWIse Nutrition Educator with University of Wisconsin-Madison Division of Extension, Brown County. This year, Farmers Market will look different, but still offer great produce to you. I hope that at the end of this video, you will be more able to select produce that you and your family will enjoy at a price that works for you and how to use your benefits and vouchers at the Farmers Market. There are many benefits of buying at the farmers market. Items in season taste better. It supports the local economy. Food is grown in our area. And if using FoodShare, also known as Quest Card or EBT, you can use a Double Your Box program. These programs allows you to double your FoodShare dollar up to $10 to buy vegetables and fruits only. When going to the farmers market, it is important to point out that seasonality is key when finding produce. Let me explain. Seasonality is a time of year when produce is harvested and available. For example, Wisconsin sweet corn is not available in June, but in August. This chart in here shows you what to expect when going to the farmers market. This can be a guide for you to know what type of produce will be at the time of the year that you're going to the farmers market. Now, let's speak about the different benefits that are available to you to use at the farmers market and how to use them. Farmers vendors can accept WIC vouchers, senior vouchers, FoodShare, also known as Quest Card or EBT, and Double Your Box program. Both WIC vouchers and senior vouchers are provided to family at their local agencies. To use, present your vouchers to the farmer to purchase fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Due to COVID-19, P-EBT or pandemic EBT is also available and will be accepted at the markets. If you already have FoodShare, also known as Quest Card or EBT, or have recently signed up for the P-EBT, you're able to use the card to purchase food items for your family at the 4 markets in Green Bay. On Broadwood Market on Wednesday, Downtown Green Bay Market on Saturdays, Market on Military on Thursday, or Oneida Farmers Market on Thursday. When you arrive at the market, go to the information tent. There, tell the cashier how many dollars you like to use from your FoodShare card or your P-EBT. They will swipe your card and give you market bills to use like cash at the farm stands. Before you begin shopping, the cashier will ask you if you like to also receive Double Your Box. This is a free-to-use program that gives you up to $10 more to spend directly on fruits and vegetables. That won't happen at the grocery store. This bill will look different than the other ones. You can also use cash at the farmers market and Double Your Box. Things to know before you go shopping. 1. Be on the lookout for the farm stand with a small checkered flag. That is a sign that they will be accepting your voucher and the Double Your Box bill. 2. The farmer won't give you change. If you buy asparagus that costs $3.50 and you provide $4 in market bills, you will not be able to receive the change. So it is best to buy an extra asparagus. 3. Don't be afraid to ask for ideas. The farmer is an expert on their produce. If you like to try something new, ask the farmer. 4. Have a plan. The Double Your Box program is great. That sometimes you can go crazy buying extra produce, which happens to me. If you don't have a plan for how to use the produce will go bad at the end of the day, and your money and the produce goes to the garbage. If you have extra Double Your Box, save them for another day during the season. They don't expire until the end of the market season and can be used at any of the 4 area markets. We should eat fruits and vegetables every day. They are part of my plate. They fill half of my plate. Fruits and vegetables provide a lot of benefits and can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, heart disease, developing kidney stones, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and bone loss. Eating healthy fruits and vegetables also keeps your body strong to fight off illness, which is especially important during the COVID-19. I hope now you know how to use your resources at the farmers market. Take care and don't forget, make the healthy choice the easy choice.